Hello everybody, my name is Charlotte. I'm a dental hygienist. I have been for 20 years, and I'm also a proud brand ambassador for Burst Oral Care. So today I just wanted to, I'll try to be brief, just wanted to show some gratitude for this company. Tomorrow I'm headed to Savannah, Georgia with hundreds of other fellow excited brand ambassadors, and basically the company is throwing a party. We get there and then they treat us, we celebrate the successes, and we get to know each other on a person-to-person level more, and it's going to be a lot of fun. Trust me, they have grown past the point where they really need us brand ambassadors, but they continue to give back. And so I'm not going to go on about pitching any of their products at this point. If you want to learn more details, you can go to my website or you can look at other videos that I've shared. But the important thing here is when you find a company that has a good culture, has a good value system, I think you should do everything you can to support it. So if you're watching this and you have not tried Burst products, reach out to a dentist, hygienist, or assistant. See if they have a promo code that they can give to you. If you don't know someone, I'll put mine in the description below. You can use my promo code to save money on the products. I just want to do everything I can to support them because they really have changed my life for the better, no joke. And that's it. Just want to show some gratitude, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. If you have any questions about dentistry, dental hygiene, or Burst products, reach out and let me know. Thank you so much.